Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your girl Ash, and today we are working arms. I'm talking biceps, triceps, you know the part. I'm gonna say less, all right? If you're scared of the little 10-minute burn, I'm gonna need you to click off the video. But if you're up for the challenge, grab your weights. We're gonna get started in 10, and you know what? It'll be over before you know it. All right, we're warming up. Let's take it back. Warming up our arms. Let's open and close. Come on. All right, let's roll the shoulders forward. Back. Let's take our right hand, pull behind and pull. You should feel the stretch in your triceps. Switch. All right, feet should be shoulder width apart. And we're going both arms at the same time. Keep your core tight. Halfway, come on. Control the movement. You're bending. You're only bending at the elbow. Your palms should be facing each other. All right. It's called a hammer curl. Keep your core tight. Halfway. go. Come on. Control the movement. Arms should be facing upward. Keep the tummies tucked. Halfway. We're going to pull it up, and now we're going to extend at the elbow and control. Halfway. You're only straightening and bending at the elbow. Facing each other. Come on, you got this. Come on. You're halfway there. You're almost there. Don't forget to breathe. Didn't I tell you it was going to be over before you know it? Look at that. You're ready at the end. Come on, you got this. Breathe, push. I told you, it was over before you know it. You can implement this into your workout schedule 3 times a week. That way you can make some progress, and once the weight becomes lighter, try to increase the weight. Remember this, muscle takes up less space than fat. Also, don't forget to share this with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And your girl Ash, I will see you in the next video.